Alright, today I'm gonna show you, or review, I just bought this Gomexus handle knob. This is the 38 millimeter. It's gonna show you guys real quick how this works, or how I do it. So took apart everything already. The knob itself in the package came with a set of washers and screws and bearings, but I'm just gonna skip to the good part. Most importantly, they came with 5 washers and they're all different size. So what I did is I lined them up, and I kind of number them in my head, like the thickness wise, 1 through 5. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is gonna be it's different thickness. I mean, it's gonna be probably really hard to see on the camera. The whole reason is I lined them up because it's probably gonna be a different combination for your reel, whereas for mine, I mix and match. I tried different ones. What I found works is the thinnest one and the middle one. For I have an older Stella. It's the 4000 XGFI, and the washer have like the rough edges and the smooth edge. I don't know what the difference are, but I'm putting the rough edge towards the bearing. So let's do this real quick. That's the rough edge, you could feel it facing it up. I already put some real X on it to prevent some stickiness or corrosion. I said stainless steel, but who knows. These are in bearings. The handle knob, I already have the screw and the other bearing in there already, as you can see. I move this to the side, probably gonna fall off. So I'm gonna tighten this. You don't want to over tighten it. So now this is the important part. You could see there's no play. I could feel a very slight movement, but I think that's normal. It's very, very slight. And then I'm gonna spin this, and it's spinning freely with no resistance. So I'm gonna try to tighten that a little bit more. Alright. Still spinning freely. No movement. Very, very little. So that's the one that you want. So the key to this is, I think, the different size washers that you want to use. If it's too tight, I mean, if the washer that you use is too thick, when you spin it, when you tighten the screw, and then when you spin it, it won't spin freely. So you're gonna have to loosen up the screw. That means the washer is too thick. And if you don't use enough washer, or if it's too thin, you have some handle play. So I think this is the match for mine. So when you guys get these, you know, just remember 5 screws, 5 washers. You just gotta line them up. I just used this, the back flap of the, whatever this thing is. It's right here on the back inside. So I cut it, and then I lined up the washer, and then if you look really closely, you'll see 5 different thickness. And you just have to try out the combination of which one fits your handle the best. Remember, again, you don't want any play on the handle. There's a very, very slight play. I'm assuming I think that's normal. And spins freely without having to loosen up the screw. And that's it. I hope this helps. I'm gonna update in a review with this handle, but so far it looks like it's spinning good and it's pretty comfortable. Hope that helps, because my old one is starting to get tacky, the rubber part, and and it's flat. I like this better. So when you get one of these, again, remember, line up the washer and see which one fits the best for you guys. Hope that helps.